You whispered it when no one was listening. In the dark, with tears streaming down your face. Ya Allah, just guide me. And guess what? This video, it's not a coincidence. It's not just another scroll on your phone. It's the answer to that very dua. The only question now is, will you listen? Or will you scroll past the very thing your soul begged for? You're not a bad person. You're not lost forever. You're just stuck. You've been trying, praying 5 times a day, fasting, holding on, slipping, holding on again. But it feels like nothing is changing. Why? Why do you still feel this empty? Why are you still fighting the same sins, still battling the same thoughts? Maybe you've even asked yourself, does Allah even hear me? Let me be clear, He does. He hears every word, even the ones you never say out loud. Right now, this moment, this is your response from Allah. The Prophet ﷺ said, "When my servant comes to me walking, I come to him running." That little spark you feel in your heart right now, that's not nothing. That's not random. It's your sign. Your prayer being answered, not with thunder, not with a booming voice from the sky, but with this exact message, whispered to your heart. You've been waiting for the perfect time to change, the right mood, the right motivation. You tell yourself, once I feel stronger, I'll go back to Allah. But what if it's the other way around? What if strength doesn't come before guidance, but after? What if Allah didn't delay the answer? He was just waiting for your heart to finally be open enough to receive it. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take one step, one sincere prayer, one real moment of sujood, one tearful Ya Allah, I need you. That's all it takes. Because Allah doesn't expect perfection. He honors sincerity. Even if you fall 1,000 times, He sees you every time you get back up. And maybe this message wasn't just for you. Maybe someone you love is silently struggling. Someone who's been begging for a sign. And now, you're their sign. Don't keep this to yourself. Because sometimes, guidance doesn't come like a miracle. It comes like a YouTube video on a regular day. That was actually written in the Book of Qadr just for you. Right here, right now. You've waited long enough. You've carried this pain long enough. You've walked with this burden, hoping one day things would just get better on their own. But hearts don't heal in silence. Souls don't find peace in distractions. Change begins with choice. And this video? It's not here to entertain you. It's here to wake you up. This is Allah calling your name. Every second that passes is a second you'll never get back. You're not promised tomorrow. You're not promised the next scroll. So if you've been waiting for a dramatic sign, this is it. Because what's more dramatic than the Creator of the heavens reaching out to your heart through a screen? Right after this video ends, don't scroll. Don't go back to your feed. Get up, make wudu, pray. Even if it's just 2 rak'ah, speak to Allah like He's listening. Because He is. Let your tears fall. Let your heart open. Let your soul return home. You don't need to have perfect words. You just need to be real. If this touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video so others can find what you just did. Comment below, this was for me. Let others know they're not alone. Subscribe for reminders your heart can hold on to. And share this with someone whose soul is quietly crying for help, because you might be the answer to their dua. You asked Allah for guidance. This is your answer. It didn't come with lightning. It didn't come with miracles. It came with mercy, with love, with this exact moment. So now you have 2 choices. Ignore it or act on it. Because the door to Allah is still open. And He's been waiting just for you.